Activation of fatty acid. You can see we have already discussed in detail what is activation of fatty acid. Now you can go through this. The enzyme name is acyl coenzyme synthetase, or other name is thiokinase. Acyl coenzyme synthetase, this, and thiokinase. So this is the enzyme name here I have mentioned. And you know, 1 ATP is consumed and it will convert into AMP. That means it is equivalent to 2 ATP. 2 ATP. And remember, only long chain fatty acid is transported through carnitine shuttle. Only long chain. Only long chain. Long chain require carnitine shuttle, not medium chain and short chain. Only long chain require carnitine shuttle, not medium chain and short chain. Only long chain require carnitine shuttle. This is very important point. And that is why I have mentioned here long chain, not short chain or medium chain. And very long chain fatty acid will be metabolized in peroxisome. So there is no point talking about very long chain fatty acid. It is metabolized in peroxisome. So long chain fatty acid only require carnitine. You can see this carnitine here. So this is the same thing I've shown with the different picture. You saw this converted into, and this enzyme is present where? Location of enzyme is also important. This enzyme is located in endoplasmic reticulum. It is also membrane associated enzyme. It is present in endoplasmic reticulum or outer mitochondrial membrane. So this reaction happens in cytosol or inside mitochondria, conversion of fatty acid to acyl, activation process. And then after activated, it can cross through outer mitochondrial membrane easily, but not inner mitochondrial membrane. Inner mitochondrial membrane requires this to be converted into acyl carnitine, this compound. And this acyl carnitine will be transported through a very favorite enzyme called translocase. This translocase takes up acyl carnitine and throw carnitine. So this is translocase. That is why this is called carnitine, throw carnitine, acyl carnitine, uptake acyl carnitine, translocation. Change the location of carnitine and acyl carnitine. So now this acyl carnitine will converted back to acyl coenzyme A. And this acyl coenzyme will undergo beta oxidation. So this carnitine shuttle is very important part of mitochondrial transport. So you can see actually carnitine, the molecule carnitine is taken up inside cell, and cell membrane has got this carnitine uptake transporter. So this carnitine will be taken up by cell. So this is actually coded by gene called SLC22A5. We will talk about this, okay? So this will transport. And if there is defect in this protein, this will cause problem. We will talk about that. Now, carnitine is, this is carnitine. You can go and study. So carnitine is meat product. Our body can synthesize carnitine from amino acid, lysine, methionine in liver and kidney. So remember that carnitine can be synthesized also. It is present in meat product also. So mitochondrial transport we have done. We did lipolysis and activation. We did mitochondrial transport. This is now turn